Igbo Igbo ndị ọma njem ọnụ ndị niile hụrụ ihe Igbo na ekele gị na-asị gị nnọọ na Igbo Online College. I welcome you all back to Igbo Online College. If you're a new subscriber, I welcome you in a special way. Thank you for coming. If you are a returning subscriber, I thank you so much for sticking to this channel. So welcome today. Today I want to teach you something very important. Something very important. There is this word that people mispronounce in Igbo. People mispronounce the word in Igbo. The word is ing, to drink. It is spelled o. It means to drink. So many people pronounce it as o. That is not it. No. It is o. That letter sounds like the ing sound in English, and it is produced here. You must feel the vibration here whenever you're pronouncing that letter. So you say ing. Can you say that? Very good. Repeat it. Ing, like the ing sound in English. Okay, it means to drink. That is the meaning of the word ing. We can drink water. Now, nango means is drinking. Nango is drinking. Nango is drinking. Ọ na-aṅụ mmiri. Ọ na-aṅụ mmiri. Ọ na-aṅụ mmiri. He or she is drinking water. Ị na-aṅụ mmiri. You are drinking water. Ana m aṅụ mmiri ọkụ. I am drinking hot water. Mmiri ọkụ means hot water. Ha na-aṅụ mmiri oyi. They are drinking cold water. Cold water means mmiri oyi. Mmiri oyi is cold water. Anyị na-aṅụ mmiri. We are drinking water. Now, that is the present continuous tense, like what you are doing. Na is drinking. When you want to put it in the past, you say ṅụrụ, drank. Ọ ṅụrụ mmanya. He took a drink. Aṅụrụ m mmanya. I took a drink. Ị ṅụrụ mmanya. You took a drink. Elizabeth ṅụrụ mmanya. Elizabeth took a drink. Ha ṅụrụ mmanya. They took drinks. Anyị ṅụrụ mmanya. We took drinks. When you want to put it to be future tense, you say ga-aṅụ, ga-aṅụ, will drink. Ga-aṅụ, will drink. Aga m aṅụ tea. I use tea because that is what everybody says. But in Igbo, tea is ụda bekee. Ụda bekee, tea. I say, aga m aṅụ tea. I will drink tea. Ọ ga-aṅụ tea. He or she will drink tea. Uche ga-aṅụ tea. Uche will drink tea. Ị ga-aṅụ tea. You will drink tea. Unu ga-aṅụ tea. You all will drink tea. Anyị ga-aṅụ tea. We will drink tea. Now, there are so many things you can drink in Igbo. We use drink to express eating those things. Unlike the English that will say take or eat. For instance, akamu, pap, anything that is pap-like, anything that is syrupy, we use na-aṅụ, we use the verb ịṅụ for it. For instance, in Nigeria we have pap made from corn, processed from corn. Other people might use custard. So in Nigeria we say na-aṅụ akam. Pap is akam. It is processed from corn. We also say na-aṅụ golden one. For golden one, for cornflakes, for anything that is pap-like, custard, we say na-aṅụ. Baby foods, we use na-aṅụ. We say nwa na-aṅụ milk. Nwa na-aṅụ, then you mention the name of the baby food. Nwa is baby. Nwa na-aṅụ, baby drinks or baby is drinking. Now, I want you to note something. The only constant here is the verb. The verb na-aṅụ for present tense, ṅụrụ for past tense, ga-aṅụ for future tense. Now, for you to form a sentence, you just add your pronoun or the person's name, the verb, then whatever the person is drinking or drank or will drink. You have your sentence. So for instance, you have a pronoun, na-aṅụ is drinking, then what the person is drinking. You have a pronoun again, ṅụrụ, drank, then what the person drank. You have a pronoun again, or somebody's name, ga-aṅụ, will drink, then what the person will drink. Remember, I say this every time. For you to speak Igbo, for you to practice Igbo, you do not have to know every vocabulary. Just speak. Just know the pronoun. If you do not know the Igbo pronouns, I will put the link to my video on the Igbo pronouns in the description, so you go watch it. Then note the pronouns. So you have the pronoun, the verb, then whatever the person is drinking or wants to drink. Now, if you do not know what that thing is called, say it in English, but let the constant be in Igbo. The constant, the verb, let it be in Igbo. You will sound like a native speaker, I'm telling you. So don't be discouraged when you do not know all the vocabularies. Go ahead, speak, add the English and speak. The only thing is continue speaking. Do not stop speaking. Just open your mouth and be speaking. Note the constants. Use the constants. Then other things, you can just use English till you build up your vocabulary in Igbo. Building up vocabulary in any language is not easy. It is a gradual process. So I know that you will get there. But before then, don't stop speaking. Okay, other things you can use drink for. You can drink your soup. Anyway, anam aṅụ ofe. Ọ na-aṅụ ofe. Ofe is soup. You can also, we use drink to express taking drugs. Ṅụọ ọgwụ, take your medication. Ọgwụ is drug, medicine. Ọgwụ. Mkpụrụ ọgwụ is the tablet. Ọgwụ mmiri is the syrup. So, ṅụọ ọgwụ, take your medicine, take your drug. Ṅụọ ọgwụ gị, take your drug. Ṅụọ ọgwụ gị, take your medicine. So you can also say, gbaa ọgwụ, that is take injection. Gbaa ọgwụ, ọ na-aṅụ ọgwụ. He or she is taking medicine. Now, when you say ọ na-aṅụ ọgwụ, it could be that the person is on drug. Ọ na-aṅụ ọgwụ, he or she is on drug. Ọ na-aṅụ ọgwụ, he or she is taking drug or medicine. So, that is it on today's lesson. I hope you learned something. Please don't forget to subscribe if you've not done so, and leave us a comment, and remember to share and give this video a thumbs up.